In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your TradingView account using the Whop platform. This is a simple process that will allow you to seamlessly integrate your accounts and make the most out of what both platforms offer. Let's get started and walk through this step-by-step process. First off, you'll want to head over to Whop's website. Simply open up your web browser and navigate to whop.com. Once you're there, take a moment to explore the homepage. This platform is not only a great place to start a business or learn a new skill, but also to build and grow your network. But today, we're focusing on the task at hand, connecting your TradingView account. Next, direct your attention to the top right-hand corner of the Whop page, where you'll notice an icon or a label for your profile. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to your personal profile area within Whop, where you can manage various settings including connected accounts, which we'll need in the next step. Once you're in your profile, look for the option labeled Connected Accounts. Clicking on this takes you to the section where you can manage which external services are linked to your Whop account. With that done, it's time to find TradingView in the list of options. Click on TradingView to start the connection process. This will prompt another page or a pop-up with further instructions on how to link these accounts together. Be sure to follow these instructions carefully to ensure everything is set up correctly. Now, one crucial step during the process requires you to enter your username. Make sure to type in your TradingView username accurately. It's important to double check this information, as a typo here could prevent your account from connecting or functioning properly. Once your username is entered correctly, you'll see an option to connect. Clicking on this button will finalize the process. If all information has been entered correctly, congratulations!